Visit a place where nature has helped shape a diverse range of scenic golf courses. This year, the world's best women golfers descend on New Zealand's newest inland links course for our first ever LPGA Tour event. Enjoy the crafted countryside layout of Windross Farm Golf Course. Or treat yourself to the views of one of our stunning coastal courses, like the world-renowned Kauri Cliffs. Close to every course, you'll find amazing fine wine and dining experiences, and a world of relaxation and adventure. New Zealand, where nature invites you for a golfing experience unlike anywhere else in the world.